So, an interesting feature, they include this little hex wrench and the screw. I don't even know if it had, well, anyway, if the screw fits over the end of the hex wrench. So I'm using the long end. Let's see if I can do this. Please go in. Oh my gosh. Nope. Not fun. This is not fun. If I lose the screw, I'm going to be really upset. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking off the thumb thing. Well, it fell off anyway. And you can see where the screw is just starting to appear. Right in there. See that? Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can fit this on. You can see the hole it fits in. Maybe I can slide it on and not have to. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is going so easily. Oops, except for I just dropped my hex thingy, which is really tiny too. I want to put down a white paper or something. Oh my gosh. That first screw, obviously we've been moving in and out. There's dirt, there's stuff from the animals. It's just been a nightmare. Okay, so I have, well, maybe I shouldn't have it that tight. Well, okay, I am pretty tight. It's snug anyway. Should I not? No, I'm going to snug it up because it's going to get used a lot. Okay, snug. Let's get a little pull. Make sure it's one. Yes. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, let's see if it, if this part works. Oh, you know what? Let's do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna do this big screw. Okay, so push that up and turn it. Nope, not engaged. Okay, let's see if this works. Hold on, I'm gonna play with it. I'll get back to you.